2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CBR500R. In the dynamic world of motorcycles, finding the perfect ride for beginners can be a thrilling yet challenging endeavor. As of 2024, one standout option for novice riders is the Honda CBR500R, a versatile and reliable machine that strikes a harmonious balance between performance and user-friendly features. At the heart of the Honda CBR500R beats a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a blend of power and efficiency tailored for those taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. The manageable power delivery provides an accessible learning curve without sacrificing the exhilarating experience that draws enthusiasts to the sport. With 47 horsepower, the CBR500R provides enough oomph to keep rides engaging without overwhelming beginners. Design-wise, the CBR500R reflects Honda's commitment to a sporty aesthetic while ensuring rider comfort. The aggressive fairings and dual headlights contribute to its sport bike allure, appealing to riders who appreciate a touch of adrenaline in their commute or weekend rides. The ergonomic design also considers rider posture, promoting comfort during extended journeys, a crucial factor for those just starting to explore the open road. For beginners, handling is paramount, and the CBR500R shines in this department. Its nimble chassis and responsive handling make maneuvering through city traffic or navigating winding roads a breeze. The bike's moderate weight further aids in enhancing control, boosting the confidence of riders as they refine their skills. Safety features are another highlight of the CBR500R, showcasing Honda's commitment to rider well-being. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, come standard, offering enhanced stopping power and stability in diverse riding conditions. This safety net can be particularly reassuring for riders who may encounter unexpected challenges during their initial journeys. In terms of technology, the CBR500R incorporates modern amenities to enhance the riding experience. A digital display provides essential information at a glance, while LED lighting improves visibility for both the rider and surrounding traffic, contributing to overall safety. Affordability is often a key consideration for beginners, and the Honda CBR500R delivers on this front as well. With a competitive price point, it offers an attractive entry into the world of sport motorcycles without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda CBR500R stands out as an excellent choice for beginners seeking a motorcycle that seamlessly combines performance, style, and safety. Its user-friendly design, coupled with Honda's reputation for reliability, makes it a compelling option for those embarking on their two-wheel journey. As riders grow in skill and confidence, the CBR500R continues to deliver an enjoyable and satisfying experience on the road.